In this video, you are going to see how to add data validation in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Here I have a range. If I want to put a number greater than 120 and hit enter, you will see an error message. Please input between 1 to 100. And here I have applied the data validation. Let us apply this trick. Suppose I want to add data validation in this range. Let us select it. Go to data. Go to data validation, click on data validation. Go to any value and let us choose this option whole number. I want the number, minimum number is 1 and the maximum number is 50. And here go to error alert and write a error over here and let us put a message. Please input between 1 to 50 and let us click on OK. Now if I put a number greater than 51, it will show an error message. If I put here 5, it will put here, but if I put less than 1 or greater than 5, it will give me an error message. If you want to remove it, select it, go to data validation over here, go to setting and click on any value and click on OK. Now you can put the number greater than 50. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.